Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you today, kids? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School Kite Campus, English Literature, Lecture number 15, Class 4, Revision of all word sentences prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. From the book Broadway Reader and from Oxford Progressive English. Here we are going to study word sentences. Christmas, it's a noun. Christmas is the annual Christian festival. Surprise, it's a noun. I have arranged a surprise party for my mom. Worn out, it's an adjective. He was looking worn out. Practice, it's a verb. I have practiced this sum many times. Presents, it's a noun. I bought many presents for her. Jam, it's a noun. I like to eat strawberry jam. Jungle, it's a noun. I saw a lion in the jungle. Joke, it's a noun. Don't tell stupid jokes in front of your teacher. Message, it's a noun. Give my message to your mother. Village, it's a proper noun. I love to stay in a village. Magical, it's adjective. I want to see a magical change in you. Turtle, noun. I saw a large turtle in the zoo. Escape, it's a verb. He escaped from a big danger. Crawl, it's a verb. The baby is crawling on the ground. Secrets, it's a noun. Don't share your secrets with anyone. So students, today we have done all the word sentences. Read and learn all the word sentences by heart. Be prepared for your exams. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.